Our military protects us every day, and the sacrifices that they make to protect our freedoms that we have and that we often take for granted, we forget that there are little children that are connected to these people. I pledge allegiance to the flag. At Hillfield Elementary, 94% of our student body is military connected. We invite all of our parents to come and watch our students perform a patriotic song in the gym. Oh, beautiful for spacious.
I thought it was awesome. It's different than some of the ones that we've been to before. I was here early, so I got to see just about every grade go through. You're a grand old flag. Cuteness factor. We'll give it 10 out of 10.
And then our parents are invited to join our students in their classroom immediately after to participate in a military child-themed activity.
This is the third school my daughter has been to this year. When they have to move that much, sacrifice so much, and they don't get a say in any of the moves that have to happen, it's important to honor and let them know that we respect what they do every day and that they put on their backpacks and go out the door with a smile despite having to say goodbye to friends and then start all over and make friends again. And they don't have any control over it. And it's important to let them know that we're proud of them for what they do.
In order to remain the land of the free, we have to be the home of the brave, and those brave men and women have children who are also pretty brave and resilient. And so we're proud to take this moment to honor them and recognize them.